From dashing to demented, Cody Rhodes is here.
A horrible fate for this formerly handsome young man.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 220 pounds, Cody Rhodes!
Oh, just look at this disfigured monster.
Oh, come on, Corey. You can see plain as day under that mask. Nothing's changed.
I see.
One of the greatest Lucha Libre stars around.
We are about to see high flying exemplified.
And representing the LWO from San Diego, California, weighing in at
It's Vader time!
And from the Rocky Mountains, weighing in at 450 pounds, the man they call Fiend.
The devil's favorite demon.
And representing the Brothers of Destruction from parts unknown, weighing in at 323 pounds, Kane!
Dragon Lee is about to take flight.
And from Tala, Jalisco, Mexico, weighing in at 165 pounds, Dragon Lee!
Dragon Lee, one of the best new luchadors to hit the world of wrestling.
A main event talent in Mexico and Japan.
The nightmare has manifested itself in reality.
When there's no more room in hell, the Fiend will rule the earth.
This is not a pretty sight.
A face only a mother could love.
From parts unknown, weighing in at 287 pounds,
He's here to save the day! In an 8-pack challenge, the rules are simple. 8 superstars in the ring together, but everyone for themselves. First fall to a finish via pinfall or submission wins it all. The potential for chaos is, to put it lightly, very high. Oh, what a knee lift! Somebody better check his nose. DDT! What a headbutt! Vicious.
Delivering the suplex.
A no DQ stipulation means you have to throw your regular playbook out the window. This is not going to save you here. It's time to get extreme.
You make a good point, Corey. just isn't going to cut it in this kind of match. Punch lands. Kane turns it around. Quick reflex is so important in a match like this. Moves outside. What's the plan here?
The universal signal for extreme. The kendo stick has entered the foot.
A sit-out mat slam. Boom!
Oh, this may end your run here.
There's a Canadian destroyer.
Wow, we've seen how damaging pile drivers can be, and that one looked particularly painful.
Clearly thinking a steel chair is what's needed right about now.
That attack on Vader is showing no...
From the top. Unbelievable athleticism. That maneuver goes to show you how much speed kills. Kick to the body. Double underhook into a DDT.
Off into the pin. Two. Oh, he kicked out.
You have to think this battle is starting to weigh down on him.
He finds a counter for the Hurricane. Incredible velocity on that move. Able to tip over a much larger opponent. Whoa, stiff headbutt. Just end this now.
Oh, he's playing puzzle.
Gets the shoulder up instantly.
Not even close to down and out at this point.
Delivered with force. Vicious right forward. Sharp punch. Kane keeps him away.
Headbutt to the back of the neck. Big time.
Good grief.
And it's Mysterio. We're seeing an unbelievable performance in front of us.
And how these competitors are still surviving is beyond explanation.
I am not exaggerating when I say careers have been ended by less.
Oh! Whoa, stiff headbutt. And if you're on the receiving end of that move, you got to be rethinking a few things.
That is, if you can think it all right now.
It's incredible, the inventiveness we are seeing on display here.
What we've got here isn't necessarily legal, but it's incredibly effective.
And no two ways about it, that move was just dirty. He makes him pay with a counter. Oh, impressive counter.
He moved, but can he capitalize?
Put in a position now. One man taking it to the trachea. Here he goes for the win.
And there's the kick out. He's not even close to being done yet.
Even in every superstar for themselves situation, an alliance like that can be key.
Oh man, he is fired up now. Gosh, what a match. Staggering to his feet, but he won't like what's coming next.
This could be spectacular.
Dodges out of the way.
He's absorbing some tough hits now.
And a menacing look from Kane.
Will this be enough? Back to Mysterio.
And he breaks up the count.